Good day everyone, we are Group 10 and today we are excited to present our final product for ENT 105 Innovation Management, Cager's Sweet and Spicy Dilis. Our tagline is Taste the Crunch, Feel the Spice, so let's get started. Here's an overview of what we'll cover today. We will start with the product introduction, then talk about innovation and creativity, feasibility and sustainability, and business viability. After that, we will discuss halal and ethical integration, IP and legal awareness, and our future opportunities. So let's begin with the product itself. Cager's Sweet and Spicy Dilis is a convenient, ready-to-eat preserved food with a unique sweet and spicy flavor. The problem we're solving is that many consumers, especially students and busy workers, struggle to find affordable and ready-to-eat food that's both flavorful and convenient. Traditional Dilis products are usually sold plain with limited innovation. Our product transforms ordinary Dilis into a flavorful, marketable, and longer-lasting product that you can enjoy anytime without any preparation. What makes Cager's sweet and spicy dilis unique is how we transform ordinary dilis into a gourmet-style product with a sweet and spicy flavor combination. Unlike traditional plain or fried dilis, ours is packed in a reusable glass jar with a better shelf life and attractive presentation. The idea came from combining Filipino flavors with modern food preservation and convenient packaging. This solves the problem of needing affordable, ready-to-eat food that still tastes homemade. Customers choose us for the unique taste, ready-to-eat convenience, and practical packaging compared to ordinary Dilis products.
Good day everyone, I am Adesal L. Dante. So for our feasibility and sustainability, technically our products uses accessible and affordable materials like gradilis, sugar, ketchup, vinegar, oyster sauce, oil, siling labuyo, and pepper. The production process only requires basic cooking equipment and proper frying, sterilizing, and sealing techniques, so it's easy to produce even on a small business scale. For sustainability, we use reusable glass jars instead of single-use plastic and source ingredients locally to support suppliers and reduce transportation's impact. Our prototype is ready to eat preserves dilis in a sealed glass jar. Tasters highlighted as flavor taste, convenience, and attractive presentation. The main challenges is keeping the crispiness and flavor balance during storage, which address through proper cooking and packaging methods.
So, the business viability. Our target customer are student, busy workers, household and food labor who want affordable, ready-to-eat meals. Demand is growing because of busy lifestyles and the popularity of sweet and spicy flavor. We validated this through product testing and positive feedback on tasting, convenience, and affordability. Finally, the product is designed to affordable while still generating profit. Costs include ingredients, packaging, labor, and styles. Revenue will come from direct sales, sellers, and online order. For the marketing, we'll use both online and offline channels. Online through Facebook and TikTok, and offline through school contents, local markets, and small store. We'll start small and expand distribution and branding as demand grows.
So for our halal and ethical integration, our ingredients are dry dilis, sugar, ketchup, vinegar, oyster sauce, oil, siling labuyo, and pepper. The product avoids haram substances like pork-derived ingredients and alcohol-based additives. We follow proper food handling, cleanliness, and sanitation during preparation. We source ingredients from local markets and trusted suppliers. Productions involves cleaning, frying, seasoning, and sealing the dilis, and sterilized jars to maintain safety and quality. We also plan to apply for halal certification in the future to strengthen customer trust and expand our market reach. For intellectual property and legal awareness, to protect our product, we can register the brand name and logo of Kidir Sweets and Spicy Diles as a trademark. The recipe and preparation techniques can also be treated as trade secrets to prevent imitation. For legal compliance, the business will need permits like DTR registrations, barangay clearance, MERS permits, and FDA or LTO compliance for food products. Future plans include halal certifications to improve credibility. Compliance will be achieved gradually as we scale up productions and distributions. And for our future opportunities and scalability, within 1 year, our goal is to establish local markets presence and consistent sales. And 3 years, we aim to expand into supermarkets, online platforms, and reseller networks. By year 5, we plan to introduce nationwide distributions and export opportunities. Additional revenue can come from flavored variants, combo meal partnerships, and bulk reseller package. For innovation, we're looking at new flavors like garlic, extra spicy, and sweets barbecue diles. We're also exploring eco-friendly containers and extended shelf life testing. All future improvements will be guided by continuous customers' feedbacks. And that ends for our presentations on Kidir Sweets and Spicy Diles. Again, we are Grove 10 and thank you for your listening and attentions. Daghan kaayong salamat.